Hi, good morning again everyone. So we're back to this axle today. I already washed it off. What I'm now going to do is wrap a chain around that end and see if I can yank that half shaft out, because at the minute I don't want to go. So I'm going to sit you there and you can watch what happens. Well, that didn't work, did it? That is well stuck in there. Yeah. I'm going to do the other end trumpet. So this part, take this part off and see if I can see what happened in there to why that doesn't want to come out. Because, yeah, slight problem there, isn't there? I mean, a 1.5 digger should easily pull that out, and it doesn't want to know. One little bit. So I don't know what they've done to it, but they've broke it. Right, I'm gonna get all these bolts undone. Put the chain around it, slide her off, and then see what we can see, I guess. Because yeah, that doesn't want to come out, does it? Right, well, I've got one trumpet housing off. God, if you two done smell-o-vision, I think this would win. So, I got that one off. Still can't get that end off. But these are the worst brakes I've ever seen in my life. There is zero material left, and even the friction. This is the friction plate. These are meant to be smooth steel plates. Well, they've destroyed the friction plates and they've destroyed the steel plates. Look at these. See, these are meant to be like this, but smooth. You can see that's got hot. And you turn it around and there is nothing left. Literally nothing left of it. So I've destroyed the brakes. Completely destroyed the brakes. I mean, I'll reseal the pistons while I'm at it because they are all the way out. And considering they've been that hot, I want to do that anyway. I'm now going to undo these ringer bolts because I'm hoping that that half shaft is stuck in this part, is what I'm hoping. So I'm hoping that they haven't actually blown the diff up, they've just wrung the half shaft off. That's what I'm hoping anyway. So I will now undo all them bolts and try and yank that out and see what happened, won't we? I think I might stick this one on a time lapse. Oh, it's not as bad as we think then. Admittedly, I've destroyed all the brakes, but yeah, they've wrung a half shaft off. Like, yeah. So the diff is good. That is good. That is good news. I like that. I will need to wash that diff out though. Yeah. It all works, look. Lovely. Opinion look good in there. Right. Now the fight starts. I need to yeah, this brake. I don't quite know how I can do this yet. Yeah, well that's good. That is good. I am happy about that, but I do need to still get that half shaft out of there. I mean, now it's knackered. Oh, I might be able to do... No, I can't do anything there. What I'm going to do is take the hub apart, because we'll just get a half shaft. We don't need nothing major, we just need a half shaft and a set of brakes and a good clean. And then she should be good. So I am going to try and get that off. If I can't get that off, I shall take all the pads, discs out, and I might be able to gas it from the other side then. Yeah, I'll figure something out anyway. Right, I'm going to ring up the customer and I'll let him know the problem, and then ring round and try and get some prices. So I'll catch you all in a bit.